basically what you do is you plug in the power to the cigarette lighter, and then you have these buttons on here. This changes whether or not it's PSI, bar, or kilopascals. In my case, I'm just going with PSI because that's what I know, because I'm American. And you use these buttons to change your desired set point. I'm going to shoot for 45 PSI on this thing. And then you screw on this nozzle and you simply go out to your car tire like this. Do that. You can see what the current pressure is. And there's a little power button right here. There you go. So that's how easy it is to use these things, and it helps you get better gas mileage too. So thank you all for watching, and hope everyone out there is doing well.